What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Young Batman. You already know what it is. We out here dropping buckets, boy. Yeah, and we back with a video. As y'all may know, this will be an unboxing. I had to do an unboxing on this brush because this is probably one of the dopest brushes that I've ever seen Brush King make. If you haven't seen J. Lou the Don's review on the brush, go check it out, because I will not review this brush. I'm just gonna open it up because he reviewed it perfectly. So let's just get into the video, y'all. So here's the package. I haven't seen it yet. We're gonna check it out together for the first time. Let's see what we got. Okay. Okay. Brush King box. Boom. Oh my gosh. Yo, this joint is mad fire. I mean, I've seen videos, pictures of it, but looking at it in real life, let's pop this thing open. Let's get it out the box. Let's get this first side of it together. Oh my goodness. Woo! Wee! Woo! Are you serious? Huh. We gotta get a good thumbnail for this. So we got hard bristles and medium bristles in the middle. This thing is mean right here. This thing is mean. Let's get another look at it. Yeah, since we got the matching rag, let's go ahead and let's get a good thumbnail with it. How about that? That might work. But yeah, man, this thing is dope. This is definitely feeling dope. Feel like the bristles are pretty hard. Around the sides, a little softer. Enough talk. Let's go ahead and get a session with this thing. See how this thing feels. We'll do it together, y'all. Unrag this off. And I did cut down after 2 months. Cut down 3 against the grain, basically a 1.5 with the grain. Just cut down. I just wanted to get a jump start and cut down and just work it. We'll talk more about the 720s later, but this video was about this, so we're gonna get a little session with this, and that's pretty much it, y'all. So get these off, see how this thing feels. My hair is pretty low, so I mean, I still use a hard anytime, but yeah, these bristles are firm. These things are pretty firm, I gotta say. This thing's incredible. I got a new way the way I run my crown. We'll get into that later. Maybe in another video I'll talk you more about crown stuff, crown work, and all this crown discovery, but this thing hits. This thing hits, I gotta say. Whoa, don't drop it. Oof. that's it with the video, y'all. Just a little clip. Just wanted to go over the Kobe brush with y'all. Royalty by Brush King. And that's it, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. It's your boy Young Batman, and we out of here.